Welcome to the Sunrise Services Medisoft training series. Sunrise Services is committed to providing training and implementation of practice management systems to physician practices regardless of size, specialty, or location. We can be found on the web at www.sunrise.com. Give us a call at 888-888-00384 or send us an email at support@sunrise.com. Today's lesson, adding the tax. All Medisoft programs let you create a tax entry automatically when entering a taxable charge in transaction entry. Medisoft Advanced and Medisoft Network Professional also let you create tax entries manually when entering a taxable charge in transaction entry. To set up a tax code and mark procedure codes as needing tax, follow these steps. Go to the List menu and select Procedure Payment Adjustment Codes. Click on New. Enter the code in the description of the tax code and then select Tax in the Code Type field. In this instance, I'm going to use the word tax. In the description, I'm going to use the description tax. In the code type, I'm going to select tax. Enter the tax rate in the tax rate field and make sure that the patient-only responsibility box is checked. Then click Save to save the record and complete the tax code setup. After you set up the tax code, you need to mark each procedure code that requires taxation. To mark a procedure code, edit the record in the Procedure Payment Adjustment list and check the taxable box in the General tab. Ensure the patient-only responsible checkbox is checked. Click on Save. To create a tax entry automatically every time you enter a taxable charge in transaction entry, follow the following steps. Select the File menu and then the Program Options menu. Open the Data Entry tab. Click on Auto Create Tax Entry. Enter the default tax code that was created. Click on Save. Here is an example of the automatic tax entry. In the Transaction Entry window, select the chart number. Click on New for New Procedure. In this instance, I will use shoes. Select Amount. Click Update All. And as you see, the tax procedure automatically was entered. To enter the tax entry manually, follow these steps. File, Program Options, Data Entry tab. Ensure the Auto Create Tax Entry box is not checked. Save. Transaction Entry. Select Patient. Select New. Select Procedure Code. Select Amount if it's not automatically entered. Left click on Tax. When you are entering procedure codes marked taxable in transaction entry, you have the opportunity to add the tax for all of them at the same time. As you enter all the taxable charges for the patients, the Charges area has a section that keeps a running total of the taxable items entered and a tax button to the right. When you want to add the tax to all the taxable items, you just simply click on the tax and the tax entry is added for the entire amount. Thank you for allowing Sunrise Services to be a member of your team. Stay tuned for more exciting Sunrise Services Medisoft practice management software training videos.